little scientists! Welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. We all have heard that white light is composed of 7 colors. Do you want to see which colors? Let's check in this video. From the Intelli SMART Box, take out the Properties of Light Activity Kit and the Dispersion of Light Activity Kit. You will need the Prism from the Dispersion of Light Activity Kit and the laser light from the Properties of Light Activity Kit. You will also need a torch having white light from your home. In order to observe the best results, we should perform this experiment in a dark room or at night. Switch off the light in the room and close all curtains to make it dark. Now, hold the prism in one hand and the torch in the other. Now, project the light of the torch towards a wall through the prism. Adjust the angle of the prism such that the light falls on the edge of the prism, like this. Can you see the white light of the torch splits up into different colors on the wall? What colors can you see? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now, let's repeat the activity with the laser light. Does it also split into more colors? The white light of the torch is composed of 7 colors of different wavelengths. Due to this, each wavelength bends through a different angle while getting refracted through a prism and hence split apart. The laser light, however, is made up of only one wavelength of light and hence does not split. White light is composed of 7 constituent colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The prism splits the white light into its 7 constituent colors. This process of splitting of white light into 7 colors when passed through a prism is known as dispersion of light. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.